How to download the Where is my train application for your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this simple and easy tutorial I will be guiding you through the steps on how you can download the Where is my train application from the Google Play Store. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Google Play Store, and once the Play Stores open up, simply go to the search option and search for Where is my train. And once you will search for this, you can see this particular application. So simply click onto this. As you can see, this particular application with around 4 million reviews by Sigmoid Labs and its affiliates. So in order to install this, simply click onto this install button and it will start to download the application in your phone. And once the application downloads, it will install, and after the installation you need to click onto this open button. So simply click onto this open button and it might ask you for the device location. You can allow it if you want, so you can allow that, and after that, once it will be done, it might ask you for notifications as well. You can choose to allow it and then choose the app language. So you can choose any of the following app languages. So I will go with the English option and click onto the submit button. Once that will be done, it says dark mode available now, so you can choose the settings of the theme. So I will choose it to system default and click onto the save button. Now here you can see that we have successfully entered the interface of Where is my train. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.